Sir, I'm from Vishwaksen Engineering Agency. We are the industrial product supplier, mainly focus on the fluid sealing and as well as the fire safety. So we are manufacturing different kind of products which are controlling the leakages in the pumps and valves and mainly in the effluent treatment plants and all. So on fire safety, particularly wherever the fire hazards are there, so there how to stop the fire extension and all, we have to use some kind of blankets and all, heat insulations like ceramic wool, ceramic cloth and blankets and all. These are products we are marketing and as well as the manufacturing. We are supplying to mainly majorly into ITC and some other Imami paper, West Coast paper mills, and like paper industry is our main focus as of now. So here we are exhibiting to attract the people in the diversified market like pharma and other engineering sectors. Like people have the lot of chemical and as well as effluent is the main criteria for the pharma industry. Looking for such customers here too. That is the main focus. Yeah.